Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about the most basic topic, which is Python lists. We will discuss what lists are, why we use lists, and the basic operations that we perform on the list. Lists basically used to store the multiple data at once. Like if you want to store the record of 5 students, instead of creating 5 separate student variables, we simply create a list, and we put a record in that list. So the list basically store multiple data at once. So how we create lists? It's so simple. Like if you want to store the record of a student, this is how we create a student. Record student is equals to, okay, I want to store the age, name, and his or her GPA. So age is 22, name is Ali, and GPA is 3.5. Okay, so now I'm going to print the student. See, the list store all the data items we give in a list. So list can store many elements of different types, like integer type, float type, string type. So see here an example. In this example, 22 is an integer and Ali is a string, while 3.5 is a float type data. So lists can store any type of data we want in that list. There's another thing in a list, which is slicing of list. What does it means? Like we want to access a portion of a list using string operator. Sorry, slicing operator. What does it mean? Like we just want only the specific portion to print, so we use a slicing operator. And how we use this? By using a colon. For example, list is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, and I just want to print the portion B, C, D. So I'll give it a I will use this slicing using the colon. Fine. So print list. Okay, as we know that the indexing start from 0 to n minus 1. So A is at 0 index, B is at 1, C is at 2, D is at 3, E is at 4, and F is at 5. So we'll give an index here using the colon. So it will have 0, 1, 2, and till 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 5. Sorry, we use colon, not semicolon. Okay. See, it prints us CDE. So there are different operations we perform on our list, which is to add an element in our string, to remove an element in our string, to sort the string, or to insert an element, or to remove clear all the elements in the string. So these are the basic operations we use in a string. So first of all, the basic operation is append. Okay, append means when we add an element at the end of a list. Okay, add an element at the end of a list. We take the above example, which is student age 22, name Ali, and GPA 3.5. Okay, and we want to insert the hobbies of Ali at the end of a list. So we will write it as student dot append sorry, hobbies. A hobby, what hobby? Like music. So it will return. See, it add append is used to add an element at the end of a list, not at the start, not in the middle, just at the end of a list. So there is another operation which is extend. Extend is used to add another list inside the list. Like if we use two lists and we want to merge that list, or we want to extend our first list, so it is used to extend the list by adding the another list inside the list. For example, there is an example. We take the above example. Student 1 is equals to 22 comma Ali comma sorry, no 22 comma Ali comma 3.5, and student 2 is equals to 21 comma Ahmed comma 3.4. See, there are two lists and we want to extend the list 1, which is student 1, so we will put the list 2 in a list 1. Now what we will do is student, because we want to extend the student 1. If you want to extend the student 2, you will insert a student 1 list in a student 2. I am going to extend the student 1 dot extend student 2 inside the student 1 and print. What list I am going to print? Student 1, because we are extending student 1. See, the first list, this one is the first list and this one is the second list. Okay, there is another operation which is insert. Insert is used to add any element at a specific index. We see that append is used to add an element at the end of a list, but insert is used to add any element at any specific index. It means that we have to give an index in this method so that we can access that element easily. For example, student, same example, student age 22 comma Ali comma GPA 3.5, and we want to insert the father name of Ali, so we will add his father name at any index. So we have to give the index when we want to insert, and another element we have to give the index. Okay, so student dot insert, what we are going to do at 0 1 at second index. 22 is at 0 index, Ali is at first index, so we are going to insert the father name of Ali at second index. So 2, and what we are going to insert, like XYZ. Okay, print see, XYZ is inserted at the second index. So here's another, we can use our del statement, del, to remove the item from the list. So del statement is used to remove the item from the list. For example, there's an example, number is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and we want to remove an element at index. For example, we want to remove 4, so 4 is at index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will give an index and we will use the statement del number 3 and print number. It will remove num number. See, 4 is removed from the list. Now there is another operation which is clear. Clear is used to remove or clear all the elements in the list, which is, that's how we are gonna do. Number is equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, and number dot clear. See, now the list is empty because this method is used to clear the list. There's another method sort, which is used to sort all the elements in an ascending order. For example, number is equals to 2 comma 0 comma 4 7 6 9. Okay, the list is not sorted, so sort is used to sort all the elements in ascending order. Okay, so these are the basic operations we use in our lists. So what are the lists? Lists are used to store the multiple data at once. So these are the brief or a short explanation of the list. Thank you.